Hello and welcome to the channel. Tracing changes through 1,000 years. Introduction. Changing maps and perspectives. Historical maps reflect different knowledge and perspectives over time. Map by Al-Idrisi, 1154 CE. Commissioned by the Arab geographer Al-Idrisi. South India is depicted at the top and Sri Lanka is at top center. Places names are written in Arabic. Map by a French cartographer, 1720s. More accurate representation of the Indian subcontinent. Coastal regions are well documented, showing European interest in trade. Key takeaways. Maps evolve as new information is discovered and priorities change. New and old terminologies. Changes in language and meaning over time. For example, Hindustan. 13th century, Minaji Siraj used to describe Delhi Sultanate regions. Punjab, Haryana, Ganga, Yamuna plain didn't include South India. Babur, 16th century, used Hindustan for geography, culture and flora fauna. Modern usage represents the entire nation of India. Meaning of foreigner. In the medieval period, the foreigner or Pardesi or Ajnabi was someone from outside the local community, not necessarily from another country. Historians and their sources. Sources used by historians to study medieval history. Physical evidence. Coins, inscriptions, architecture, texts, manuscripts, chronicles, religious texts, travel accounts. Paper became widely available from 700 CE onwards, leading to more documentation. Challenges with manuscripts. Handwritten manuscripts had variations due to copying errors. Historians compare multiple versions to reconstruct the original text. Example, Ziauddin Barani's Tariki Firoz Shahi 1356 and 1358 had differences in versions. New social and political groups. Political developments. Between 700 CE to 750 CE, major changes occurred in political structures. Emergence of new dynasties like the Rajputs, Marathas, Sikhs, Ahoms and Jats. Decline of old ruling families and rise of new rulers. Changes in social structures. Caste mobility. Many groups started claiming higher status. Example, Rajputs claimed Kshatriya or warrior status. New occupational groups emerged due to economic and technological changes. Technological and economic changes. Technological advancements. Persian wheel improved irrigation systems. Spinning wheel revolutionized weaving. Firearms changed warfare strategies. Introduction of new crops. Potatoes, maize, chilies, tea, coffee were introduced from other parts of the world. Forest clearing and agricultural expansion. More land was brought under cultivation. Many forest dwellers became peasants and integrated into larger societies. Regions and kingdoms. Emergence of large political units. Delhi Sultanate and Mughal Empire unified vast territories. Smaller kingdoms and local rulers continued to exist, maintaining regional identities. Gradual shift towards centralized administration under the Mughals. Religious and cultural developments. Spread of new religions and cultural practices. Rise of Bhakti and Sufi movements emphasized personal devotion. Temple construction and religious patronage increased. Use of Persian and regional languages. Persian became the official language of administration in the Delhi Sultanate and Mughal Empire. Many regional languages like Hindi, Bengali, Telugu, and Marathi evolved. Conclusion. Medieval India was marked by significant political, social, and cultural changes. Interactions between different groups led to new identities and transformations. Historical studies rely on multiple sources to understand how India evolved over time.